Good morning, all of you. So, Kumar Misra today going to continue with the Standard 6 revision of Chapter 5. Chapter 5 का रिवीजन आज Chapter 4 तक का हो चुका है. Chapter 5 का रिवीजन होगा. Chapter 5 के अंदर से कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भी होगा, लेकिन जो कोई भी होगा क्वेश्चंस वो MCQ बेस में ही होगा. फार्मूला एंड फंक्शन. तो इस चैप्टर का जो क्वेश्चंस बनेगा वो to enter or modify a formula in a cell, you can also press F2 after the selecting the cell. Any changes that you make in the data will be reflected in the formula result. To copy a formula from the above cell, press Ctrl plus apostrophe S sign. The easiest way to define the name for the cell, to click the name box at the left end of the formula bar, type the name for the range and press enter key. To get the total summation adjacent cell, press Alt plus equal key combination instead of the clicking on auto sum option. And to copy the formula to all the cell in the selected range, press F2 and then press Ctrl plus enter. These are the also some important question. जैसे today function used to display the current date. करंट डेट के लिए क्या फंक्शन का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, कि मंथ के लिए क्या, ईयर के लिए क्या, डेट के लिए क्या. Fill in the blanks. Formula are used to perform the calculation. A formula always begin with equal sign. The address cell in a formula is also called cell reference. The cell address in a formula that doesn't change on copying is considered absolute reference. The addition of two or more text value is called concatenations, and arguments are input to functions which accept the value as an input a number or text. The function must be followed by opening and closing parentheses, and the AND character is used to concentration of the string. The true false. Formula must begin with the question mark sign if false, and in absolute reference the relative position of row and column changes where you can copy formula is true. Combined reference is a type of cell reference is true. Absolute reference $sign used to before the cell coordinate is true. A range can be used in a formula is true. A sheet tab cannot be renamed is false. A sum function is used to find the sum of the value is true. The error value occurs if the number is divided by the 0 is false. Now MCQ. To use the sheet reference, which address is appropriate out of the following option is sheet 1 D4. Which key combination is used to get the sum of the value to the adjacent cell is equal to Alt plus equal to. Which function find the largest number in a range is max bracket open bracket close. Which function return the remainder after number is divided by the divisor is mod. Which of the given cell reference can be used in a relative reference is equal to A3. Which function is used to count the number of numeric range in a value in a range is equal to count bracket open bracket close. So these are the revision of chapter 5. Thank you. Have a nice day.